Hi everyone, this is Anne. I hope you're all doing well. One of the questions I get asked often here on my channel is how I get my teeth white and keep them white, especially over the age of 50. As we age, teeth tend to yellow with time, and keeping your smile nice and white is a more youthful look. I have never had my teeth professionally whitened. I just use a few drugstore items, and I have been using these items for many years. This is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share with you the products that I use to keep my teeth nice and white. And I will go ahead and list and link all of the products I show and talk about down beneath this video in the description box in case you want to go on and read more about a certain product. I did do a video on this same topic just over 3 years ago, and I'll put that video link beneath this video in the description box in case you want to go on and watch that video. Basically, it's the same products with the exception of one step. And the one product change was on the advice of a dental hygienist that I saw, and she made a suggestion for a quick, easy way to keep my teeth white. So I have incorporated her suggestion, and it's a very inexpensive one. All these items are inexpensive, and they all work really well to keep stains off and whiten your teeth. One of the key products that I use to keep my teeth nice and white is a whitening toothpaste. And I have been using a certain brand for decades now, and I swear by this brand of whitening toothpaste. You used to be able to find it in stores, however now I can only find it online, but again I will put links beneath this video in the description box. It's the Plus White Whitening Toothpaste, and they have a couple different variations of it. They have coffee drinkers and extra whitening. They both work about the same, so I use either of these, and I do brush my teeth with this toothpaste twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. I also use a specific type of toothbrush to brush my teeth. I use an arched toothbrush, and this is just an inexpensive toothbrush, soft bristle, but it has an arch to it, kind of like a dental tool. So it does a great job at getting behind your teeth, and I just really like this toothbrush. It's one that I always repurchase and always use every time I brush my teeth. And the tip that I got from the dental hygienist on whitening teeth that's very inexpensive and super easy to do is to use hydrogen peroxide and just gently brush your teeth with hydrogen peroxide. I only use this one time every other day. So what I do is I brush my teeth with my regular whitening toothpaste twice a day, morning and night, and then once every other day after I've used my regular toothpaste, I'll just put a little hydrogen peroxide on my toothbrush and gently brush my teeth, and then I just rinse it. And this is a great trick for keeping your teeth white. Usually the store-bought hydrogen peroxide is very low percent, like around 3%, whereas if you went and had teeth whitening, that's more in the 10% range of hydrogen peroxide. So using a very low percentage for a short period of time is not as damaging on your enamel. And this is a great way just to keep your teeth nice and white. I also take a probiotic every day, and I have been doing this for many years. When I first started taking probiotics, after about a month, the very first thing that I noticed was that my teeth looked whiter. And so I've just continued taking probiotics. It doesn't really matter which brand. I just make sure that I take a probiotic every day, and I really truly believe that it does help to keep my teeth white. And those are the super simple, inexpensive items that I use to keep my teeth nice and white. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.